Ain't been to this mall in so long. I had to see what's going on right here with their semi-annual clearance sale. They opened up this new Foot Locker as well. See what's going on over here. Did check to see if they have any like random accessories, and not really. Super Bowl shirts, $11, 40 off. Kids Atento Kumpo shirts or jerseys right here, 90 bucks. Larry Johnson jersey right here, 135. Same thing, different color right here, $90. Nash jersey, 90 bucks. Looks like a kid's, right? Is that a kid's? Yeah, it's a kid's. $90 for Muggsy Bogues right there. That is a large. Sean Kemp. Man, I'm not digging all these regular prices. 40% off. It's pretty decent, but some of the other spots got some better prices. Like, yeah, this is like the 51. What the hell? I was so excited to check this spot out. Dude got $10 hats. Anything marked 25 or less, $10. So they got some decent hats. If hats are a thing, I've bought way less hats because I just haven't been wearing hats too much. And I was checking to see if they have any clearance accessories or anything like that. Maybe stuff right here. Because I've seen some of this stuff on clearance. No. Not even beanies or socks. Some of the other spots, didn't we see some socks? Maybe it's all sold out here. That's what it might be, I don't know. Niner stuff not on sale yet. Maybe I'll be able to get some Niner gear next week or something. I don't know. Damn it. Going through these stores hella quick. And on the sales right, dude got a nice little surprise. First time I've seen the Pegasus premiums on sale. $180. These are only $220, so a little, 40% off, 40%-ish off, $40. Or that's about 20% off, my bad. I'm terrible at math. And then also got the Vomero 18s right here. Is this the colorway we've been seeing at the outlets? I kind of want to say we've been seeing these at the outlets. So these are grade school. I was like, what? Since when have Vomero's been 120? There's a grade school. We've been seeing women's that colorway, I believe. Got a couple of New Balances. Including these Brooks Omnis right here. Grade school size. Some Harden. These are volume 9s right here. The Adizero SL2s. Decent price. Got this one for under. Ooh, grade school. Yo, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen for these. This is a 5.5. Definitely the cheapest because the grade schools go for what, 160? Damn. That's what's up. 50% off Jordan 8. And got some men's Jordan 4 RMs. At least they're discounted. And then who saw these coming, right? Who saw these going on sale? I was like, what guys are going to buy this? These are men's sizes. Like, what guy's going to buy that? Really? Even kids. Like, how many boys are going to buy that? Like, really? Damn, dude. That's crazy. Whoever said that's going to be a good idea, yeah, you guys really didn't see that coming? Really? 50% off Under Armour pants right here. So these are $50. Seeing if there's anything crazy. Is that a Jordan t-shirt? Jordan t-shirt. $45 double XL. New Balance jacket, $100. Like a little windbreaker. But yeah, don't see any 70% off tags that we've been seeing here and there. $10 one right here. Just Champ Sports Gear stuff, which isn't bad, like I've said. Nothing too crazy out here, but come on now, dude. Seriously, like, I'm still wondering who the hell thought that was a good idea. And then in the men's sizes, I think this is like the first colorway that came out, right? For the Pegasus premiums. Another little sale. I like that color right there to match that with anything. Got newer colorways, kind of like an Air Max 95 colorway right here, $220, and then got the Vomero 18s, and then the Vomero Pluses, and these are going for $180. I feel like these are a little more comfortable than the Pegasus. They're also a little lighter as well. And seeing a bunch of New Balances on sale. Nothing crazy though. Those 1000s and stuff like that are the lowest price, and then we got these 1906s down here. But yeah, those 1000, I'm so not a fan of those. But I guess that's why they're on sale like that. 2002 Rs, $30 off, not too bad. Well, actually $35 off. These are up to $145 now. Oh damn. I forgot to check these out. These just released yesterday. What are these called? Flight Club? Flight Club. These do have the Nike Air on the back. What do you guys think about that? Nike Air on the back. Usually it was always just the OGs and the collabs, OG colorways and the collabs that got the Nike Air. They're putting that on everything now. Everything. I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of like the fact that they only had it on old school stuff. Got suede and then also have a bunch of extra stitching on the toe guard right there. I don't know if I'm a fan of, like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of this colorway at all, dude. The way they did it, not a fan. Even the texture on the toe box, it's soft, but it's like non-textured, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Yeah, I'm glad I did not go for these yesterday morning. I did land a pair of the Dornbeckers, which is freaking crazy. One of my few sneaker wins. I used both my accounts and got it on my primary account. That was pretty freaking exciting yesterday morning. But yeah, these I'm not a fan of, dude. I'm not a fan that, like, they tried too hard. $220 for these. And then I think was Unbreakable Kicks showed a video of this on Instagram. I guess someone showed that it was like $60 or something like that for a men's pair. I think it was a JD Sports, and that does happen once in a while. If they only have like 1 or 2 pairs left, they just try to get rid of it ASAP. So I kind of do believe it. Even these got the Nike Air. Like what the hell? What are you guys doing, Jordan? What are you guys doing? Breaking tradition just to try to sell a few sneakers. I was just talking to one of the workers about those 4s and how, I don't know, it's just not necessary. All those weird changes. I don't know. Maybe that's just the old school guy in me, or like the old head in me. I don't know. But they do got Shocks right here. Shocks R4s. Which one is this one? Oh, the NZ right here. Oh, okay. Extreme Board Shop used to be in the cut over there, way far from everywhere else. They're right in front of Champs now. Holy crap. It's a smaller store. It is more well lit and stuff like that though. So I guess we'll have to stop by. All right, let's go check out this store. Yo, right off the bat, they got some nice SB Dunks right there. Dang, so well lit for a skate shop. Crazy. Damn, it's like bright as hell in here. But yeah, these are the latest Dunks. Got a Paisley design. These are pretty dope. I'm kind of a fan of these. Oh, only one left. $140 for those. Still got the black, still got the white. The black ones are up there. And still got a bunch of other ones. These are $120. A lot of the older ones, $120. Damn, they're up to $140 now? Holy crap. They went up a ton. This one looks like the football. Oh, these are on sale? $100? What? Last pair. These are $100 as well. I missed a little sale sign. $90 for those. Holy cow. I don't think I've ever seen SB Dunks on sale at the skate shops. That's pretty crazy. SB Dunk jersey right here on sale. Normally $150 down to $70. They just got one left. That's a medium. Got skate gear here as well on sale. What they talking about? What's that? $49.99, normally $65. Got a cool little jacket right here, Brixton. $150. SB t-shirt right here. This like pretty decent quality, $30. All kinds of sales racks. Okay. The latest and greatest Foot Locker right here. This place is huge. Pretty dope setup. Pretty huge. First Foot Locker that I've ever seen that has customization stuff. They got laces, aglets, stuff like that. Okay. Definitely the first spot I've seen with all this. We've seen that with Nike. We've never seen that with any of the other retailers. Oh, they got one of these things that they have at the high-end running stores where you stand on this and it measures like where all the pressure is, all that type of stuff. That's pretty dope. I saw 25% off, and they do have LeBron jerseys for 25% off. Everybody's pissed off at him. Apparently he's not playing that well. I'm gonna be honest, I've been so focused on football, I've not been paying attention. That is a medium jersey, 25 off, and then they got like women's dresses, tank top. I don't know what the hell that is. 50% off. Laker shirts and stuff like that, but they're 25 off, nothing crazy. So apparently this is their basketball section right here. I guess Nike has their own section. Then they got Jordan brand over here. I guess everybody else got their own section because under that basketball section, it's only Nike basketball. They got additional Nikes right there. They got New Balance right here. Adidas, small little Adidas section. They got Hoka. They got On Running. Then they got, looks like Nike Run right here. Nike basketball, they got the Kobe Protros right here. The Kobe Protro 3s, got the newer ones right here. $210 for the newer Kobe Protro 3s. I'm not a big fan of the 3s. They also got the 8s. Also got these on sale. We saw these on sale at, was that Lakewood as well? Kind of surprised to see those on sale like that. Is that a exclusive colorway to Foot Locker? That's pretty cool. LeBron 22s right here. They got a ton of different colorways now. 22s I'm not the biggest fan of, to be really honest. This is like wild. This one's just wild. Got so much going on. 210. These right here, this is a newer one. Kind of reminds me of a foam posit on that one. I guess all of them kind of remind me of a foam posit. They got that plastic molding on the outside. Kind of interesting. What's it say? I who chose? Huh? Huh? Is that what it says? I who chose? What the hell? Ja 3s in a colorway that I've never seen before. These 140. First look at the Book 2s. I've never seen the Book 2s before. Kind of interesting. The Book 1s kind of look like dunks, kind of look like forces. These look a little more like basketball shoes, I guess. Kind of interesting. 145 for these. Not the biggest fan. Not the biggest fan of the Book 1s or 2s. This is the shoe that Wemby's wearing now, right? These are the GT Futures. This one got all 3M upper. I can see it. I don't think it's showing up on camera, but there's light behind me, so it really, really sticks out. These are going for $200. Totally reminds me of the foam posits right here, like an updated foam posit kind of seems like. But it's $200 as opposed to $240, not bad. Not saying it's cheap, but I guess it's not too bad because a lot of the basketball shoes are around $200 now, right? Got the GT Cut 3s right here. Oh, okay, I guess all the other basketball stuff's right next to the Jordan section right here. They got Pumas as well as Adidas basketball. Oh snap, I didn't know the Harden 10s were even out yet. These are interesting as hell. Kind of gives the Shaqnosis flavor to them, but it, you know, it doesn't remind me of the Shaqnosis, but yeah, 160. At least that's something different, I guess. I know these aren't selling right. Like, I don't know. I just don't understand the design. How many kids are gonna, kids and men, like there are 0 men wearing this out, right? Oh. They do got Jordan releases, got the 4s, got the 8s, 12 and the 9 boots. Right here, $230 for the boots. Mamba slides right here. These are going for $44. And the Rejuvenates, these were hella popular last year. They're bringing them. I guess they just never left. But yeah, they're bringing them back. Because it started getting warmer out here, $75. Design for the store, definitely pretty freaking dope. Like I said, the only Foot Locker I've been to that has a customization section. Kids and women's on the other side over there. They even have this inside area to kind of hang out and try shoes on, I guess. They got UGG shoes down here, something different. These actually don't look that bad. Kind of reminds me of like a skater shoe mixed with some boots. $130 for those. This JD Sports used to look so big and now it looks tiny compared to that Foot Locker right across the way. This spot used to look so huge and now it looks so small. They did jam a lot of stuff in here. A lot of red tags. Just not seeing the craziest prices though. Seen some Vomero pluses on sale on the men's section. Kind of like a Niners colorway. Why they all keep reminding me of the Niners last bastards? What the hell? Yeah, too good. I'll say $15 off, but at least it's a start. Man, it just seems so freaking comfortable. I am wearing some Invincible runs right here, kind of the low budget older version of those. Jordan retro section right here. Not really seeing too many releases. Just the 5s right here. They got these right here. They also had the 4s in a case, but they don't have them out and about, so we can't see them. What the hell? What's going on here? How does that make sense? The women's, they do got these 4s right here, 220. Like, I like the material, but and they got these right here before Valentine's Day. Kind of interesting. But yeah, these are 135. Also got these. I thought these were interesting. We've seen them in the pink as well as in red. And yeah, these are 125. Sales section right here. Anything interesting? Starting to see these on sale. $20 off, but at least they're a little bit on sale. Air Max Up Tempo, the Volt colorway. Hirachis right here, $20 off. $30 off the KDs. Crazy, because like 6 months ago, JD had the best sales, and now like they got the most minuscule sales, including these 4s right here, the Luca 4s. Like I said, the Luca 4 is pretty crazy colorway. Then in grade school, seen these close to $100, not bad. Never been seeing these on sale. Oh, see, a little higher than some of the Foot Locker sales we're seeing. All right, that's about it. And then do got the Flagship Chic right here. This is their Jordan section. I know they got their 20% off all clearance shoes. Oh, and these are like the worst, man. These are the worst. I saw these online and I was like, what the hell? These are so freaking ugly. Adidas did that with their Gazelles and stuff, and then, damn, dude, I guess you're just desperate to get taller. Like, that's like, what, an extra almost 2 inches? Holy cow. I heard 2 inches is a lot, right? I don't know. But yeah, size 7 women's. And they got these monstrosities in the University Blue right here as well. Holy cow. What these go for? What these go for? 145. I'll get to see these on hand. Women's Jordan 3s. These actually don't look that bad. They actually don't look that bad. They got a cork insole. Haven't seen that in quite some time on a Jordan. Retro 205. Got those, what's up, grade school? Grade school mids. Men's size Jordan retros, not really seeing much here. They do still have these. Surprised to see these. These are the Voodoo 2.0 or something. Voodoo, second version. But do got the Jordan 1. Little Voodoos right here. What size is on display? Size 8 on display. So I have a feeling they have multiple sizes. And I was gonna say, I swear these are on sale. I forgot they don't do the sales tags here because this is their flagship store. $140 for these. So 25% off makes it close to $100 if you don't have an outlet near you. They got colorways of the Evo SLs that I've never seen. I've never seen this colorway right here. Pretty dope brown colorway right here, $150. And then these as well. I've never seen this. White. And then it goes to powder blue in the back. That's pretty freaking dope. $150. They got these for $50. I swear I paid retail for these. $50. And then you get another 25% off. That's crazy. Then even these crazy infinites right here. $75 after discount. I like these because, like I said, they remind me of the Kobe 2s. Kind of, sort of, not really, but close enough. Got a whole Kobe section. We're going back to like before the pandemic, when we used to see all kinds of Kobe's at the outlets, which were pretty freaking dope. So Nike basketball section right here. Never seen these trainers before. I was gonna say it's like newer colorway, but it's already on sale, so under $100. Got the Air Max Up Tempo Chicago colorway on sale too, $140. Get an extra 25 off. They got multiple sections of dunks, which is crazy. They still got these right here, so I know where to get them when I need my size. This looks like a, oh, it's a 9.5. I was gonna say it looks like a 10. And then all these on sale as well, $80. These are retail at $90, and then $75 for these bad boys right here. I need to get one of these, but I'm kind of in a hurry right now. Dang nabbit, got an entire full section of Air Forces right here. Damn. I remember seeing these on social media. This looks so this looks so this looks so stupid. But yeah, $130 for these bad boys. Holy crap. Man, someone at Nike just trying too hard. $130, ain't nobody paying $130 for this. Man. I think that's it. Haven't been here in a while. Pretty cool stop. We out, man. We out.